Welcome back to Mindful Moments with Mr. Warner. Today we'll be talking about another strategy or technique that we can use to help us deal with big feelings. So this one I like to call a memory movie. Now you might remember in the video when I talked about the brain, one of the brains I talked about was the hippocampus. And that's our memory saver. And that's a really important part of the brain because if we want to remember the alphabet, words we read, numbers, the people that we know, our hippocampus helps us do that. But our hippocampus just doesn't remember things or facts, it also remembers feelings. So when we go somewhere and we have a really good time, say you go to the amusement park, say you go to the beach, and you enjoy it, that feeling is stored in your brain. Now, the cool thing about good feelings, happy feelings, is it releases this chemical in our brain called dopamine. And that's what we notice when we feel happy. Well, when we remember that memory and we really experience that memory again, it releases dopamine again. So that's why when you remember something that you enjoyed, you feel good about it. It makes you feel good. And so that's really a cool thing to remember. When we are sad, or things are just really tough, it's sometimes hard to believe that things can get better, or we might forget about the good things that are in our life. So when we do a memory movie, we're bringing up those happy memories, and it reminds us, yeah, I remember what it feels like to feel good. I can feel that way again, and it maybe makes our day a little bit better. It may not take away all the sad feelings or all the frustrated feelings, but it can help us feel better. So one of my favorite places to be is the beach. So what I'm going to do with you today is I'm going to walk you through how you can do a memory movie, and I'm going to use my memory of the beach. Now, if you do this on your own, you can pick whatever happy memory you have. It could be someplace you've gone before. Maybe it's someone that you like being with. Whatever it is, a memory that makes you feel really happy, something that makes you feel really good. So I want you to think about what that is. And now I'm going to walk you through my memory movie, but when you do it again, you pick your own memory. When you do a memory movie, you want to think of a place or an event that makes you feel really happy or really good. And for me, that place is the beach. And this is a picture of the beach at Cape May, New Jersey, which is a special place that my family likes to go during the summer. One of my favorite things to do in Cape May is to early in the morning go for a quiet walk along the beach when there's not many people there. So in this memory movie, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I invite you to close your eyes and join me in this memory movie. So I'm walking to the beach and I'm getting to the end of the boardwalk just where the sand starts. And I take my shoes off and step into the sand. I feel soft and squishy and a little bit cool on my feet because it's the morning, but it still feels really good. So I just wiggle my toes in the sand and just feel that. And then as I start to walk towards the beach, I can hear the sound of the waves getting louder and I can smell the salty air. And then I get to the part of the beach where the waves are starting to lap up around my feet and the water feels cold, but it still feels good. So I just walk along the water's edge, feel the sand and the water on my feet. The sun is just coming up and it's bright and warm on my face. I just feel really good. And then I stop and look out into the waves. I can notice some dolphins out there. They're jumping around, they're playing. They look like they're having a great time. So I just watch them for a minute and I can feel their joy and their happiness. And then I keep on walking, just feeling the sand, hearing the waves, feeling the sun. It just feels so good to be here. It's so quiet except for the waves and for the seagulls. I just feel so happy. So I just notice that happy feeling. Just enjoy it. I just notice these feelings. for a few seconds more or longer if I want to. And when I'm ready, I open my eyes and come back to the room. So now that you've done a memory movie with me, you can do this on your own. Try it out. I'd really suggest trying it out again before you feel sad or frustrated, because if you practice this when you're not sad or frustrated, then when you are sad and frustrated, you'll already know how to do it, and it'll be much easier for you. Now, you can do this some other ways too. You don't have to do a real memory. You can just use your imagination. Imagine a happy place, a thing. Some kids like to make up stories when they're doing it. If that works for you, go ahead. I like to do memories because when I think of those places that I've already been or things that I've done, it kind of, again, brings up those memories from my hippocampus. And that's what works for me. But if you go in the description below, I have some links to some other ways that you can do it that might be using more your imagination. So again, whatever works for you. So until next time, here's my wish for you. May you be happy, may you be safe, may you be healthy, and may you be at peace. Bye, Maple West.